Demystifying Index Funds for Beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel, where we make complex terms easy for you to understand. Today, we're diving into a topic that's important for anyone interested in personal finance and investing: index funds. So, grab a notebook because you're about to learn what this term means and why it matters. An index fund is a type of investment fund that is designed to match or track the components of a financial market index. Think of it as a basket of investments that includes stocks or bonds that are part of a specific index. The goal of an index fund is not to outperform the market, but to mirror the performance of the index. Before we go further, it's crucial to understand what a market index is. A market index is like a list that includes various stocks or bonds representing a segment of the financial market. For example, the S&P 500 is a famous index that represents the performance of around 500 large companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. Index funds are popular for several reasons. They are cost-effective, meaning they have lower expense ratios compared to actively managed funds. This is because they are passively managed. There's no need for a fund manager to pick stocks. They are also diversified, spreading out your risk because they include a wide range of securities. Lastly, they are simple to understand and can be a good starting point for beginners in investing. Investing in index funds can be straightforward. You can purchase shares of an index fund through a brokerage account just like you would buy individual stocks. The key is to identify which index you want to track, find an index fund that tracks it, and then invest based on your financial goals. And that's a wrap on index funds. They are a way to invest in the stock market while keeping costs low and diversification high. We hope this video has shed light on why index funds might be a suitable investment for those looking to build their portfolio. Keep learning and remember, a smart investor is an informed investor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.